$444-8026-180.
Is it 4 times? Is it 3 times 4?
It's hold on. It's so small. It's three. It's 1, 2. Yeah, 3 times 4.
Okay, 3, 4, 4, 4, 8, 0, 2, 6, 180.
Yes. I can
Let me
give you
just check.
the ST code too.
No need, ma'am. I got your system details.
Okay. Can you read me the number so I'll put it in my notes already? Can you open a notepad, please?
Yes, I opened the note.
Is it a XPS 13
Yes.
9340 model?
Yes, it is. So can you read back what my express code is again? Because it's very small here.
Okay, 3, 4, 4, 4.
3, 4, 4. How many fours?
3.
3 times.
Okay.
8, 0, 2, 6, 180.
180. Okay. And it's an XPS. And what's the model? XPS what?
XPS 13 9340.
XPS 13 930. 9340.
Yes, and
Okay.
I checked it's under Pro Support Plus warranty.
Yes.
Are you looking for technical support?
Yes, I am.
Okay, I'll quickly connect your call with the technical team. They will help you.
Thank you.
May I know you're calling from USA or Canada?
USA.
Okay. Thank you for calling. Okay, I'm transferring your call.
Thank you.
Thank you for calling us. Have a
Thank you.
great day ahead.
Thank you. You know, until you get somebody. Once I get it, then you'll deal with them, you
Yes,
think?
fine.
And then I'll
Yes.
go and, because it's 3 o'clock, I think
Fine.
it's good if I, don't you agree?
Yes.
You have banana.
Learn about support assist for your Dell PC. Our smart technology keeps your PC up to date with automatic failure detection and notifications for Dell PCs. Download support assist using Dell.com/support assist. Once again, Dell.com/support assist. Looking for an update on the status of your Dell repair? You can check the latest status on our website. Just visit Dell.com/part status. And thank you for calling Dell Pro Support. This is Parth. How can I help you today?
Yes, I have XPS. Do you have the express tag?
Yes.
Okay. So what I need is, this is a brand new computer and I don't have internet access. Is there a way for me to start using Windows without internet access?
Yes, we can do that. So you want to skip that without internet, okay? I can
Yes.
help you with that.
Thank you very much. Do you want to go through this?
Yes. Fine.
Yeah, can you bear with me? Hold on. I have Harvey here too. What is your name? Can you spell it for me?
Sure. My name is Parth and it's P-A-R-E-H.
P-A-R-P-H. Hold on. Let me just put it in my notes here. ARPH. And I have Harvey. I'm going to need to.
Does he have an extension
Do you have
or
any extension or anything,
a
Harv?
phone number or something like that?
We don't have an extension. All we have is just a toll-free number that you have just dialed.
Okay, can you give me
What
the
is
toll-free?
that
Can you
number?
give me the toll-free number again?
Yeah,
No.
sure. Just give me a moment here.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it's
Fine, yes. Everything you can take to have more
So
information.
the toll-free number is 866
866
516
516
3115.
3115.
And he's in India, where is he
Where
at?
are you located? Are you in India or where are you located?
We are in Canada right now, not
Canada.
Mm.
Okay. All right. So what would you like me to do? What?
So first of all, I will set up a case for you, okay? And I will send you an email with all the case details. So just in case if the phone gets disconnected,
Okay.
I will just give you a call back or
Yeah.
you can reach out to me with the email.
Okay. All right. Do you have my phone number?
No. So that is what I am going to ask you now. So first of all, can I get your first and last name, please?
Yes, it's Sarah, SARA,
Mm-hmm.
RUSHINEK, like Rush, INEK.
Okay. And I can see here that your phone number ends with 2426.
That's one of my numbers, and right now I'm on a call. Let me give you another number too.
Okay.
It's 669.
Uh-huh.
Why don't you write it down? 669-247.
Okay.
6736.
Okay, perfect. So I'm sending out to you an email with the case details that I have just created.
And what email?
And
What
the case
email?
number.
And are you sending me the case number too? What are you sending me now?
Yes. I'm sending you an email with the case details and everything.
Okay. And to what email are you sending it to?
So it's drsrush@gmail.com.
Yeah, it's like doctorsrush@gmail.com. Perfect.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. Yeah, I got it. Okay, I have the case number, and please use reply to all. I have your case number. Well, I will be continuing with your case. Okay. All right. Anything else I need to do here? No. Okay.
No. Now we will try to perform some steps here, and we will try to log into Windows without internet.
Yes, thank you.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so right now you are on which screen? Can you tell me that, please?
In the screen I'm on right now, it says, let's connect you to a network.
Okay, now I want you to press Shift key on the keyboard. Can you see the Shift key?
Yes.
Shift key and F10. F10.
Okay.
F10.
Okay, hold on.
Both press it together.
Okay. I tell you what I have. I have an issue here. Is this keyboard, in this is like a toggle, and on the top it's like a the font. Okay, I got it now. Okay, hold on. Let me just keep it here. Okay, all right. Now what is it? Shift what?
Shift key and F10 key.
Shift and F10. Okay. All right, I'm in DOS. Are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, I have the DOS Windows. It says C:\, Windows / System 32 with a blinking cursor.
Okay, great. You are getting a blank screen, right? A
Yeah.
blank screen, I believe.
Yeah, it's my administrator C:\Windows / System 32 / cmd.exe. I'm in the command mode.
Okay, now I will email you a command. Okay, I want you to copy and paste the exact same command there. Okay.
Okay, but my problem is this. I don't have on this, I can't copy and paste because I don't have connection here, right? I can only copy it. I'll get it through my phone or another computer. You understand? I can't just paste.
Okay, okay.
I can't just copy and
Okay,
paste. But you can send it.
You on the call.
Okay, but I'll send it to me too, because that way at least I can see it. I can read it. You know.
Yes, yes. Okay, so type.
But why don't you do this part? Send it to me as well.
Yeah, send it to your email.
Send it to my email as well. Did you send it?
Yes, yes, I will send it to your email.
Yeah, send it to my email first. So that way I have it for my notes too. You know what I mean?
Yes.
I appreciate your help, Bud.
Okay, I have already sent you an email. Now are you ready? Should I tell you to come on?
Okay, hold on. Let me just see if I got it. Service request. Okay, wow. Yeah, I can see. And those are zeros or those are O's, the letter O's?
Yes, it's O, letter O.
The letter O, shift O, right? Capital K. It's all cap lock.
All capital.
All
All
capital.
caps lock, yeah.
So it's, but you know, when I start typing, nothing's coming on my keyboard.
Okay, try it again, please. It should come.
It's not. I have a blinking cursor at the System 32, and it's not letting me type anything.
Yeah, so click on that blinking cursor and try to type it. Let's try again.
Okay, maybe this will work now. Hold on. Yes, you're right. I had to click on it. Yeah. So it's OOBE, and it's backslash, and it's BYPASSNRO. So it's like bypass the network, sort of. That's what does OOBE stand for, you know?
Out of box experience.
Oh, out of box experience, bypass, and what's NRO?
Yes, bypass this setup process.
Okay, bypass the setup process. And now what do you want me to do? Press enter?
Yes, press enter, please.
Okay, just a moment.
And now the system will restart and you will see different screen now.
Yeah, we'll see.
What is the last abbreviation? Repeat it. Out of box experience, and what is the other one?
Bypass. It looks like bypass network.
Bypass network.
Mm-hmm. And now it says just a moment.
Okay, now once again, if you see any network screen, you will see an option to
now it says secured with Dell Safe BIOS. It has in the middle XPS, and then there's a ring going around a circle at the bottom of my screen, in the middle.
Okay.
And then it says just a moment.
Okay, yeah, that's it.
Have you ever had experience with this laptop?
Yes, not for your laptop, for any laptop.
I know, but for this model, have you? No.
Not sure. We
Yeah.
use lots of
Okay,
technology,
now it
so-
says, is this the right keyboard layout or input method? If you choose and it says
Yes.
US in the beginning, I'll say yes, right?
Yes.
Okay, so the top is US. It says us, right?
Yes.
So I'll say yes. Click yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Want to add a second keyboard layout? I'll say skip.
Okay.
Checking the connection. Checking for updates. Now, how's it going to check for updates if I don't have internet?
Can you skip
Yeah,
it?
let it check.
What's it going to check? I don't have internet.
I don't think. Yeah, but still it will follow that.
Okay, now this is it. Let's set up things for your work or school. You'll use this info to sign into your devices. Do I need to have a sign-in right now?
No. Do you see a local user account?
I see this. Use your face, fingerprint, PIN, or security key instead. Choose next means you agree to Microsoft Office agreements. That's all I see, unless I go down here and
Yeah,
see some.
so agree on that. Go with that.
So just click next.
Choose your PIN or yes.
Use your face, fingerprint, PIN, or security key instead. What should I do? I don't want to sign into Microsoft for right now. And
Okay, do you see the option to skip that?
no, it just says use your face, fingerprint, PIN, or security key instead.
Okay, try to use a PIN or password. Let's see.
Okay, I'll see if maybe I can use like a PIN. Is that okay, Harvey?
Fine.
Come talk to me, Harvey.
Fine.
Because
Yes, fine.
okay?
Yes.
Use your PIN and then you can just put in a PIN rather than the Microsoft.
Fine.
You want to try that?
Yes.
Okay, let me try that instead. Yes?
Yes. And use the pin.
Seven.
Yes. How long does the pin have to be?
Okay. It says sign in with your pass key. I don't have a pass key.
If you don't have a pass key,
No, it says more choices. iPhone or pad, or it says security key. And that looks like a USB, or iPhone, iPad, or then I have cancel.
okay, hit on cancel.
And it says something went wrong. We couldn't sign in with a pass key. Please try again. Other ways to sign in. So you want me to click other ways to sign in?
Yes, go with the other way.
Okay, so I have it goes back to the same screen. It says use your face, fingerprint, PIN, or security key instead. I want to use a PIN, like to give a PIN number.
Try to use the fingerprint at the moment, then we will change it to PIN, okay?
Okay, I can't, because I don't know if I can, I'd rather not do a fingerprint.
Yeah, you don't want to do a fingerprint because later on, when I want to sign, I cannot.
When Harvey wants to sign, can I use your face, fingerprint, PIN, or security key? Maybe let me go back and see, maybe there's a PIN here. iPhone or iPad or Android device. To sign in, to log in, choose a device with a saved passkey.
What is your phone?
Yeah, right there. What's a passkey? It's iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Can I do that and just have?
Let me see. Just give me a moment.
Yeah, give you a moment. I'd rather do it. You know what I mean? I'm afraid to use my fingerprint because Harvey here uses it too. You understand?
And you may have to leave, and I will be by myself.
I have to leave I have to leave, and I'm gonna hand it over to Harvey. So I want to make sure. You know what? All I want to do is maybe put in a PIN number or something, and I can confirm with my phone or something. So check on that. Thank you for taking your time.
No worries, sir. You don't see any option for entering the PIN?
No. It just says iPhone, iPad, or Android device. More choices, iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then it says security key. You think security key is PIN?
Let me see here. Are you able to go back?
I can just cancel.
Okay, cancel for that, please.
When I cancel, it comes out and says, Microsoft, we couldn't sign in with a passkey. Please try again. Other ways to sign in. So it says passkey. I don't want a passkey, I just want a PIN. But it didn't give me a choice for a PIN.
Because the PIN will come, the PIN screen will come once you enter your Microsoft account details here. So,
And it says other ways to sign in. So maybe I can just sign in with my regular Gmail account, you think?
you can try that.
You want me to try that?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me try it.
Yes.
Let me try it. Let me go Rush at gmail.com, I guess. Right? You can't sign in with a person. Use your work or school account instead. You can't sign in here. It says you can't sign here. No, it says the only thing. No, that's what I'm calling you for. I thought there was a way to do an offline account. This is where I got before that I didn't want to do it. That's why I'm calling you. Maybe you want to escalate it. I don't know. Go to somebody that's had experience with this. It says choosing next means you agree to Microsoft Service Agreement and privacy and cookies. And then they say enter a valid email address. And then they have a question mark. Let me touch the. It's easy to sign in with passkeys. You can sign in. You can sign in using your face, finger, and PIN, or use another device like a phone or security key. No passwords, apps, or codes are needed.
Try with the Android if you have Android phone. Or
yeah, I have an Android phone, so let me try that.
Okay.
So let me try this, okay, Avi?
Yes.
So I have an Android device. They have iPhone or Android device. Okay. And let me go next. Oh, scan the QR code that has a passkey for login. So they have a scan key. So they say I need to go to my scanner. Hold on.
It says Shift plus F10 and then type
What?
OOBEBY pass NRO. Tell him.
Did we do Y pass NRO?
Bypass NRO is for the internet.
No, it says bypass, and that's what we typed in. We
But
typed
it didn't work?
No, that's where we are now. So
Right,
that's it.
okay.
Okay, I copied it, okay? And now what do you want me to do? I copied it, and now where am I supposed to copy to clipboard? View code. Okay, so what do I want to do now? I have to save it. I've copied it. I scanned it. Now what do you want me to do? It says claim your no, that's something else. View code or QR code. Is that what I'm supposed to do?
Yes.
Okay, now it says share. or it says, in this case, do you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, good. It's choking me. It says save to dev or share. Oh, go to the website. I guess I'll go to the website, no? Where should I do, save or share?
Save.
What?
Save, S-A-V-E.
Okay, save. Okay, QR has been saved, okay? And now, how do I open with what? What should I open it with? I have to talk over here. What should I, something went wrong. Okay, so what do I open it with? Should I open it with Adobe? What should I open it with? Are you there? What? Take it off my head. Jesus Christ. Hello? 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 Oh. So he has no idea. You want me to try again?
I disconnected it.
Yeah. You started fooling around with the next thing, and I'm going to leave it to you. You want to somehow when you fooled around with the next thing.
Call him again. What is the number?
I don't know what the number, but I'm thinking
He
maybe I'll
gave you
try.
the number at the beginning, the 800 number.
Something
Let me
like that.
dictate it to you. 866
Okay. 1.
866
Let me just read down. Get this in. 866.
516.
8 what?
866
Hold on. Go ahead. No.
516
516
3115.
3115.
Purposes. If you know the 7-digit extension, then you're calling to make a purchase, right?
No. Tech support. Pro tech support.
Okay. Technical support. Please tell me which one you have. You can say laptop, desktop, printer, server, networking,
Laptop.
storage.
Well, I guess he's trying to call me back.
Okay, respond.
Hello?
Hi, I'm speaking to Sarah.
Yes, you are. We got disconnected.
Yes. I'm so sorry about that. So I found out that in order to log into Windows, we need to enter the Microsoft account, and it's a mandatory. After going into Windows, we can remove the Microsoft account if you don't want to. But as of now, we need to enter the Microsoft details to log into Windows.
Oh,
You don't have a Microsoft account, do you?
I have my school. Wait.
Is that a Microsoft account? How do you know?
No.
Because
Let me
new
try.
policy from the Microsoft
Okay.
that requirement the Microsoft account in order to log into Windows.
Okay.
Before it was not like that, but right now they have updated the
So
policy.
dictate the
And
account and what if you don't?
Let me try. Let me try to see what. So let me try to see what my account is. It's s.rushanek, I think, at miami.edu. Let me see if that works. Did you get it, Harvey?
Yes.
Okay, it's taking me to my. Okay, now I have to put in my login page. And I probably have to go to, and then I can take it away, you saying?
Yeah, once you log in back to Windows, you can just create a local account and you can just.
Oh, that's what I want. Okay, let me just sign in and see if this works. Hold on. Please wait. Okay, now it wants my Duo account. So let me put that in. I'm verified. It says success. Please wait while we set up your device. It's good that you check. You had time to check, huh? And now it says, it says, please wait while we set up your device. Setting up first scroll, this will take a few minutes. Your device might need to restart as we complete. So device preparation, device setup, account setup. So when is the time where we can do like a local account? At what stage?
Once you see the desktop screen, main desktop screen, once everything is set up completely, then you can change it to your local account and you can remove that original account, okay? The one that you have created.
It says device preparation, working on it.
Mm-hmm.
And then it says device setup, and then it says account setup. And it says waiting on those. Thank you for calling me back. I was trying to call you back.
No worries, ma'am.
But I heard, so I figured I'll just hang up. It takes so long? All
Yes, we are doing a first time setup, so it's checking the system configurations and updates and everything.
So what happens after it's done? Then what are the steps? Just tell me, what are the steps after this is all set up? I'll see a Windows screen.
Yes, and I can share you the steps on how to remove the link to Microsoft account. Okay?
Yeah. Can you send it via email too?
Yeah, sure. I'm sending it to you.
Yeah, send it. This way we'll have documentation on it. You know what I mean? So
Yeah.
the device preparation, just to give you feedback, has been completed. And now it's doing
Okay.
device setup, working on it.
Okay.
Okay. So I see here, how do I remove a linked Microsoft account from my computer? Click the start button, then click settings, click accounts, scroll down, and then click the Microsoft account you would like to delete, remove. Okay, but how can I keep that and also add another one, an account like a local user?
So let me send you the steps for that as well.
You understand? Because sometimes maybe I want to keep the Microsoft account. Can I do that? Or can I have a Microsoft account and a local user?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. So send me that as well, because it seems like we're working, we're waiting, might as well keep you busy.
Yeah. So I will send you an email with the steps
Yeah.
for how to create a user
Yeah,
account.
that's
user
great.
account.
Yeah, it's nice little steps that you're adding to my mail, because we're still working on the device setup. And then after that, maybe I can get internet access. You know what I mean? But right now, I'm not having internet access. And I guess once I get internet access, there'll be more updates, or what will happen once I get onto internet access?
Have you received my second email with the...
Let me see. Let me check. I didn't get it before, but let me check now. Hold on, let me just check. I think it just came in now. Yeah, let's see this one. Hi, Sarah. In the settings app on your Windows device, select accounts on other user or use the find shortcut, other users. Under add other users, select add account, enter the account information for this person to sign in, follow instructions instead of setting it up. So in this case, when I'm going to add another account, does that other person need to have a Microsoft account?
If you add a local account, then no.
Okay, but will it say somewhere local account?
Yeah, it will say on the computer only. You can see that. But it is, it has a local account.
Okay.
You can see on the settings only. On the accounts, you will see two, one with the Microsoft and one with the local that you will create.
Because now the device preparation was pretty quick. Now the device setup, it says working on it.
Yeah, so now do you need any help from my side?
Yeah, I want you to stay online so we can see if it all works. You understand?
Okay.
That's what I want to make sure. Because up to now, still I don't know if I'm going to get in or not. All it says is setting up for work or school. I signed in with my work email. It asked me, I put in my, it sent me immediately to my institution. Then I had to put in my password. Then I had to do my Duo account. And then it got me to this point of saying device preparation that's been completed, device setup, it's working on it, and then I'm gonna have to go to the account setup. And what you're saying, once I go into the account setup, Harvey, that he can look at it, Harvey, if you look, because Harvey's gonna stay with you, because I'm probably gonna be going on in the.
She has to take her phone with her.
Yeah, so.
So I need to be able to log in with another username and another password when she's gone with her phone.
You know,
so I can continue the configuration.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
I need to pull out a couple of the function of
Let me see if you can hear me.
Yeah. Can you hear me, Parth?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, good. So under add, let me just show him. Where are you
Let me
looking?
copy the email, the second email address that you sent to you.
Yeah. You got it. Under the top of the Gmail account, where it says Dell Technical Support.
Yeah, I open it up and I see it here.
Where do you see?
Right here.
In the top. Okay,
This is it, right?
Click on it. We'll see. Go down and see what it says. No.
No?
No.
Inbox, man.
Go to Dell.
This is where we were just
Yeah,
now.
well, go there.
You said no.
Well, let me just see. You may put here. This one. Right here.
Okay,
You're reading
that's
the
what
wrong.
that was this.
Right here. This one.
Why?
But you want to open it up.
What do
Entirely.
you want me to do
See
exactly?
these dots here. Click on the dots. And click on this. Click on the other two. Okay.
It is a target switch. It opens only one at a time.
Okay. All right. So, yeah.
So what?
So that's what you need to do.
Fine.
And then the one before that is how do you remove the Link Microsoft account completely? You understand? This is to add another account. And this is the device setup. And usually takes so long. But,
Yes.
um,
That's why I asked you that. Do you want me to stay online because it might take a bit here to do that.
yeah,
But if you want me to line, I will wait for you.
yeah, if you can, if maybe you can do in the meantime. You can
I
do
can
it.
work with him when you're gone, Ted.
Or when you're gone, Harvey will work with you. But I'd like to at least see before I go. You understand? You can work on other things, but I'd like to have you that at least where you can move. You know how that's the problem. This is a computer that I got a replacement. The first one I had issues with this version, with this XPS 13. I had issues with the first one in the first couple of weeks. So they've made a
Okay.
replacement. This is a replacement, so I just want to make sure that I'm within the 30 days. You understand? Because before I had issues, and then they said, "Oh, try this," and after I tried so many different times,
It's expired.
they said, "Oh, your 30 days expired." And I said, "But I really started in the first week, you know." And then you know how they say, "Well, try this. It's a software problem. It's a this problem," and then it kept on coming back the same problem. So they said, "Well, you should have done it in the first 30 days." Well, you guys told me what to do. You know what I mean? And you kept on telling me.
Because, to be honest, the policy from there is like if the issue started in the 30 days, okay, then if you have give us a call on 29th day as well, and we have created a case for you, and it seems to be like a hardware is causing the issue.
Yeah.
Then on the 40th day as well, you will do a system exchange. Why? Because you have reported the issue.
I
on
know,
29th.
but I know
Right.
theoretically that worked, but guess what? I had to go through 4 managers to have that.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean? So they,
Yeah, I'm giving that.
I know that's how it should work. That's why I demanded it. You know what I mean? I said I called you right away, but they said in the beginning they thought it was a software problem, and then they said, "Oh well, now you need to, you know, it's your motherboard." You know, because
Yeah.
and it was like an intermittent problem. You understand? So
I got it.
you got it. So I'm saying, and then you know, each manager said, "Well, I don't have the authority." You know, we'll send
Yes.
somebody out. So I'm just letting you know. That's why I'm. Otherwise, I would have done exactly what you said. Oh, I'll talk to you in a couple of days. You know. But as those couple of days come up, you know,
They wasted the whole 30 days.
you know, they kept on saying, try this, and then it was 5 weeks, and they said, "Oh, your 30 days are
It
up."
expired.
You know, we can't do it. We'll send you out somebody to get the motherboard replaced. I said, I don't want a lemon. You know, it's already a lemon.
Yeah.
And then they,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? And I tell them I reported it. I don't know. You guys are supposed to be the experts. And they said, "Well, I can't do it. I'll ask my manager." "Oh, he can't do it." "I'll ask them," you know, and they kept on saying, "When do you want the technician out?" And I said, "I don't want a technician," you know, and they keep on arguing with them. And then finally, they got to some guy that sent me an email saying, "I'm the resolution team. What's your address?"
Yeah.
You know, and I wasted another 3 weeks with the computer not being able to work, you know. So before I do this, and I've read online that this machine has, and I'm stacked here. I have the most RAM, I have 64 gig, and I have 2 terabytes. So it's still the hilt, and I've read online that people have had problems with this. Since it's a new one,
Yeah.
that's why I even asked you. People have had troubles with it. It hasn't been a smooth landing. So that's the only reason why I'm asking you about it. And if you've had experience, because this seems like it may even be stuck here. I don't know. Device setup, it's already been, what, 10 minutes? We should even time it. Now it's 3:35. I know at least it's been 5 minutes going through this device setup, working on it. But I'm not
Let's run here because we are using it for the first time, so it will take time here. But if it is getting the same issues, then what we can do is we can just shut down the system and power it on again. All good on that.
Okay, I don't know.
This is supposed to be an AI PC.
No, supposedly. I don't see any AI in here. Doesn't look too intelligent to me. You know, I could use all the intelligence, artificial and not, but this doesn't seem. Anyways, this is the latest. What you're looking at? What?
If you want, I can just remote into your system as well. So
Yeah.
I can help you.
Yeah. No. That'd be perfect. I love it if you could. But I don't know even if you can remote now into my system. You know, after I set.
Yeah. Right. Yeah.
You know what I mean? I don't have internet right now on the system.
Because you cannot remote without
yes,
Windows.
then I cannot do remote.
Yeah, you know.
And you don't have Windows installed. You cannot remote before you install Windows.
I have to install Windows first, right?
Is that true?
Is that true? Harsh?
Yes, go ahead, please.
Yes. Do I have to have Windows installed before you can remote in?
Yes.
Yeah, so we
But
don't have that.
Windows is already installed in your system.
Oh, it is. So what is it doing now?
Without Windows, how can you see the setup screen and
Yeah,
login?
yeah. How could I have done command mode without some of it?
But I need internet access for
With the virtual.
remote session, but you don't have that, so
Right.
It was a virtual, you were using a virtual DOS machine, but it's not the real Windows.
No, I didn't see the real Windows. I just saw the virtual. يعني اللي خشوتي تتبعي تطلع الموضوع.
Just tell him stop. You have to
Okay,
leave for a minute.
I'm leaving for a minute part, but I have here Harvey. So Harvey's going to answer any of your questions. He's going to see. He also has my phone, Harvey, as my phone in case I need to do anything. And my phone, put it so it doesn't drop. But maybe.
Can you hear me, Bart?
yes, I can hear you, sir.
Okay, she left for a minute. She's going to try to come back. In the meantime, you get the message. Device set up, working on it, and dot, dot, dot.
Okay.
So how long can we wait until it completes? Do you have any idea?
Around 5 minutes. If after 5 minutes, if you're getting the same screen, we can just power it off and power it on again.
After how long?
5 minutes.
5 minutes, okay.
So we'll wait for 4 to 5 minutes, and if we are getting the same screen, then we will power it off and power it on again, okay?
Okay, Bart, thank you.
No worries, sir.
waiting 5 minutes to complete the operation, and then he said after 5 minutes we'll reboot it.
Okay. And so whether we wait on 5 minutes or not,
There's
we'll
already
reboot.
more than 10 minutes.
I know, we've been doing more than 10, it's been more like 15 device setup. I should have kapatıldı the internet access though.
How do they come? If you don't have a choice, you don't have a choice.
Right. You know what I mean? So he said he's gonna come back in 5 minutes or what?
Okay, I wanted to power off the system by holding down the power button until you see the power is off.
Okay,
Then power it on again.
okay. I hold it down, and it says slide to shut down your PC.
Yes, shut down your PC.
Slide.
And now it says just a moment, and the
Okay,
hourglass.
now you can just
Wait a
now
minute,
you
how's
can
it?
just remove your finger.
Remove your finger. I'm not sure it's completely off. This is still there.
Let it power off completely.
Yeah, it is.
Try to
It
power
is.
it on again.
Just now, yes.
And you want me to power it on again?
Yes.
XPS.
And yes. Then what if you're getting the same screen like setting up your PC and it's loading? Then we need the internet to complete the setup.
Okay,
Yeah.
secured with Dell Safe BIOS.
Yeah, and then we have to turn on the internet.
Okay, fine. We'll try again.
We'll try with the internet. Ham and cheese. Microsoft don't come and check it. No, again. No, again.
No.
Says just a moment.
And you,
Okay?
just a moment, you get the hourglass.
No, it's circling.
The circle.
Okay.
Fine, if I was to try, then what? Next time we'll make some email account.
Okay, secured with it says secured with Dell Safe BIOS XPS.
So I was asking whether we want to replace it with another module with the same.
First, let's focus here. Ham and cheese.
Okay.
Okay, now it says hi there. There are a few basic things out of there. What's your home country? English, U.S. Oh, let me change the time zone. And I need to be Eastern time. So the Eastern time has to be
East Coast time.
Eastern time, okay. Okay, and now I'm gonna go next. Okay, why did we research? There's a problem that's keeping us from getting the PC ready to use, but we think an update will help. Here's how to do it. Make sure you plug, if this is PC uses Wi-Fi, select, if this PC uses Wi-Fi, select next to follow the instructions to connect to the Wi-Fi network. Okay. Okay,
If
so
this PC does not
use Wi-Fi, insert a cable network to connect to a wired network.
Finally,
Okay.
number 4.
Once you're connected, select next and the update will install. Okay, so then they want updates and stuff. So I'm gonna click next.
Fine.
You're gonna help me in my
Fine, let's
password.
go.
Okay, just a moment. Okay, it's a good sign, and something white. And I got okay. I'm going back to the same thing before, okay? So I'm going to US. I'm going to say skip for the layout. Checking for updates. But I'm still not connected to the internet. But I should just
Let's see
wait.
if Windows comes up.
Let's just see if something comes up.
Can you connect to your internet by any chance?
How?
You don't have any internet?
I have an internet, but how it says, oops, you lost your internet. Let's go back and connect to your network again.
So retry.
So I'm going to retry. Well, how am I going to get connected to my
choice.
internet?
Click on the.
So you will see let's connect to a network, okay? And under that you will see your Wi-Fi name.
Okay, I don't see anything. Where you want to?
In which page are you right now? You are
It says, oops,
connection.
you've lost connection. Let's go back and connect to the internet.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, I see it now. Okay,
No, it
connected.
says connected.
It says connected next.
Okay, now go next.
But it says,
Oops,
oops, you
lost
lost your
internet
connection. Okay, let me try again, and let me make sure, maybe disconnect and then connect again, right?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe disconnect, and now let me connect automatically. Connect.
Click next and see if it will work this time.
Okay, now it says next. No, it
It's an
doesn't let,
infinite loop.
it's an infinite loop, it won't let me connect to the internet.
Okay, then we will bypass that and we will follow the same step as we have done.
Hold on, why I want to do metered, connect when in range. Let me look at here. If you have a limited data plan, control your usage, apps might work differently to reduce that. No, let me connect automatically. Done. I don't want metered, right?
Uh-huh.
No,
Done. Let me do done. Let me do again. Disconnect. Now let me say connect. Now how can I tell if I have internet connection at this point?
so maybe expand it
You
to
can
more.
see, all you can see at the moment is just a notification.
What?
All you will see is just a notification that shows that you are connected.
Yeah, it doesn't go in somehow.
It's an
Oh, wait,
infinite
wait,
loop every time.
No,
it says,
now it got
okay,
in.
now you got
in.
it.
Okay, you have to go
So
back.
sign in.
Let me sign in again. Just so you know, Avi,
Yeah.
it's the same thing as before. You got it? It's over there.
So you have to make another user and another login.
Wait a
Without
minute.
you
Yeah,
password.
hold on. Oh, this passcode, the duo. You know what I mean? I hate all this duo
Don't
stuff.
worry about what.
Yeah, okay.
Let's get it done.
Let me refresh. Okay. Okay.
Success.
So it says success. Let's see what is successful. Please wait while we set up your device. So I guess I have internet connection.
Then and let it make you a user and a password.
Yeah.
And shut the machine off and log in again.
So the idea is to make what I have you on the phone for is that you help me make a second user, right?
Okay.
And then I'll shut down the machine and log in again and see if I can log in as the second user, you know?
Mm-hmm.
We'll see. Now it says, please wait while we set up your device. Looks like it's doing the same thing as we did before, you know?
Yeah, but this time we are doing with the internet, right?
Yeah,
So
right.
let's see.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I was telling Harvey, okay,
No, because
this device is already enrolled. You can contact your system administrator error with an error. Additional
it's an error
information
message.
message, not available, correlation ID, timestamp, server, more information, try again.
You have
Something,
to in the error code.
and then I got an error code.
801.
Okay.
801 8000A.
Okay. Do you have your system administrator?
What do you mean do I have?
Do you have your IT team? Because I see that the account is set at the University of Miami.
I have the IT team, yeah.
So can you tell them, because I believe that the Microsoft account that you have entered, that is for your university, and due to that it is asking you to contact
That's what happened before.
That's why I wanted to bypass that.
Because they get error codes and then they don't know what to do, and they kept it for 2-3 weeks.
And then that's when I had the problem with the
Then
replacement.
they said we cannot fix it and gave it back to her. She called Dale and she said it already expired 30 days. So they didn't know what to do. And you give them an error message, error code 8018000A,
Okay.
lowercase. And says something went wrong.
Okay.
So that's why I wanted to bypass and do that user account, you remember?
Yes. But as I told you, the policy has been changed, that you need a Microsoft
Yeah,
account
right.
mandatory on that. Do you see any option to cancel that or close that application?
No, it just says try again. So I guess I can shut down.
Yeah, shut down and do a favor for me.
Yeah.
Whenever you see the Microsoft screen, like entering your Microsoft details, you will see an option to create an account or create a user.
No, I have slide to shut down your PC. Is that what you want me to do?
Yes. Once you power it back on, and once you are on the setup screen, where it should ask you to enter your Microsoft account,
Yes.
select create one. Instead of entering your education account,
Yeah.
select one and create a new one.
Create a new account. Yeah, that'll be a good idea.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me see if that'll be. Okay, it's off
Create a
now.
normal account.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Create a normal account. Okay. All right. But last time when I did it, but I have to create a Microsoft account. Last time I just put in my Gmail account. So they said,
Try
okay.
Microsoft.
Yeah, I'll create a new Microsoft account. Okay, so I'm going to turn it back on. Okay, Park.
Yes.
Okay. That's how I do my house. So when you get into this and that sort of thing. Just a moment. We'll see what happens in just a moment. So I got the Windows screen. I got a circle. And now it says this is the right keyboard. You want me to go through that?
Yeah, go with that.
Okay, I'll say yes. I'll say skip. The second layout. Checking connection. Checking for updates. And it's circling. Yeah, like create a new Microsoft account or something. Yeah. Oops, we've lost. Somehow they're losing internet connection. Let me go back. So somehow every time I hear, I lose the connection. This is on, done. Now let's say next. Let's see if it works. Let me try. This is what I did last time. No, because I did. Let me disconnect. Connect automatically. No, this is what I did last time. I disconnect. Connect. And then connect when in range. And this is what I did done. And now I'm going to go to connect. Let's see. Somehow my internet connection is having issues here. Disconnect. Connect automatically. Connect. Now it's not letting me connect back to your, let's go back and connect to your network again. So many different issues, huh?
Yeah.
It's like you can't make this stuff up, you know?
Yeah, we can like speak this part, but the thing is like we have to create a new account.
I know. Connected, it says connected secure. Whoops, you lost your connection. I don't know why. You know, everything else gets connected. Let me see if my phone is connected. Yeah, my phone is connected. Okay, now let's see. Checking for updates. Okay, that's stuck. You know how the circle goes around. Now another circle's going around.
Describe to him what's happening on the screen.
So now it's my screen is black. Now it's white again. Now I have my Windows logo. Okay, now again with this keyboard, I say yes. I'm going to skip my second layout. Checking to connect, checking for updates again. Hopefully it's not in a vicious circle.
Maybe we want to send it back to Microsoft. Let them
Oops, you lost your connection again. Now, let's see. Disconnect.
Do you have any another laptop where you can create your Microsoft account?
Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah. That's a good idea. That's a good idea.
And without internet, we will use that.
Yeah. Let me just try one more time. You came up with a brilliant idea. Yeah. Okay, now it asks me for signing in.
try another time. Maybe it will work out.
Let's sign in, but that school and work is not good. So where can I do now? Now it asks me, I think we were trying to do this before. Now it's saying you'll use this info to sign into your devices. Use your fingerprint, face fingerprint pin, or security instead. Choose next if you agree. So it doesn't show me here. Let me go down a little bit. It doesn't show me here that I can create a new account. Oh, but now let me create a new account somewhere else, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let me do that. So
You can hide everything.
so much. So how do I create a new account? the phone. Bart, how do I create a new account, a Microsoft account?
Okay, let me show you that here. Do you want me to send you steps for that?
Yeah, send me steps and then go through it with me.
Okay.
Because it says here, sign in. Let's set things up for your work or school. You'll be using this to sign into your devices. So,
Okay, so I'm sending you a link. In the link, there is steps as well as videos.
okay, well, I don't, do you know how to do it yourself? Because I don't want to spend time looking at videos. Do you know yourself how to do it, or you can read me the instructions?
I know how to do that, but if you see the video, it will be much easier for you to see where to click and where to enter the details for everything.
Okay, but anyway, here is the Dell support. Okay, so it's here support,
It's just a 10
how to
second
create,
video.
oh, it's a 10-second. Okay. Sign up. Okay, Microsoft gives you access. You can either use your email address you own as a Microsoft account or create a new address by choosing get a new email or use your email instead when you sign up. Microsoft are not reused, so even if an account was closed along, you cannot recreate a new account using. If you okay, so I just sign up. Watch the video. Let me watch the video anyway.
Yeah.
So they do sign up. No account, create one. Okay, how did they get that?
You sign up and it will ask you for
Okay, let me sign up. So in this case, create an account. So I get it. Oh, I need to get a new email account. Do you want this one?
Yes.
Because you can't use a previous one. Is that correct? A previous email that you've used in the past.
A previous account, a previous email is already registered with any Microsoft account, right? So you cannot do that.
I cannot do that. So I need to do a new one. Where's more of this?
Try to add an H or something.
No, I don't want it because it's probably been used already.
Just try Dr.
Or
A.
try
Will.
your,
Okay.
Try your Gmail account or something like that. Let's see if that works.
My Gmail account?
Here,
No, but I've done it before. I've used it, I think. Let me just try this. Maybe Dr. Rue just?
S. Rue.
S?
Yeah.
Okay.
What does it say?
In the format, someone at example. Enter the email address in their format. Let me just see here. Oh, this is to get a new email address.
So get a new one.
Let me get a new one, right?
Stop messing
Yeah,
around.
let me get a new email. New email. Oh, at Outlook. Okay.
Try Dr. S. Rue. Rush.
Maybe just
Dr. S. Rush at Outlook.com.
okay. At Outlook.com. Oh, it's already you might try another name. Okay.
So, Rush. Look up.
Okay, like this?
Yes. And try that. So try Rue.
No. What should I try?
Try
Maybe just this. S. Rush. You got it?
Yes.
S. Rush. S-R-U-S.
S. Rush.
Okay.
Write it in the notes.
You write it in the notes right now. Okay, now, hold on.
Just S-R.
Okay, can you just create, I'm going to create a new password, please. Okay.
Just click here. You got
No, I don't, no.
Let me just show you.
I want to,
Second.
stop it. Stop it.
Let me show you something.
No.
Don't scream all the time.
I don't,
Not
it's not good. I want to do this one. You understand?
Why?
Did you type it down, the password?
No, I didn't type anything.
You didn't put it in the notepad?
The name,
Yeah.
I named you put it in.
You just did.
I did, you did. Let's move on.
Where did you put it?
It's
Where'd you put? Where?
Wrong file. Yeah.
Where? Show me, because you need to do an Outlook. Where?
Yeah.
So put at Outlook.
At Outlook.com.
Okay?
Fine.
And it's the same one that we've used before, okay? Okay, we need a little more to set up. So should I just put ARush here for first name or what? Or ARush?
That's rude.
Ruth.
Whatever name you gave yourself before. What did you give there? Put S. Russ.
Right, that's what I did. Okay, now I'm going to save it
But
here.
it may be case sensitive, so keep them all the lowercase so you don't have to confuse everybody in the cell.
It just need, what's your name?
Okay, fine.
Okay, what's your birthday? Okay. Simet the call or what?
Yeah, I've seen it already. You have to remember it because
Okay.
later when they will ask you again.
Okay.
And then say, click save, so it will save it, but this is not correct.
Wait a minute. Okay. Please solve the puzzle we know. Next. Okay. Use the arrow. Hold on. Use the arrows to rotate the object to face in the direction of a hand. You know how to do this?
No.
Okay, use the arrows to rotate the object to face in the direction of, oh, the object to face in the direction of the hand. Oh, okay. I see. Is this okay?
No. No, it was okay before.
Show me when.
Keep going. I'll tell you when to stop. One more time to the right. That's
Okay.
it.
Okay. Now they say someone has that email.
Put doctor in front of it.
No. You want me to put my entire name?
No.
What else? DR dot?
Try
Can I put-
Rush and Rushi
Okay.
and
Rush.
Rushine.
Okay. Rushi?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's what you can keep the same.
I don't know if it's the same. Do I know what I put in as my password? Oh, here, Dr. S. Rushi. Let me put this in. Okay?
Okay. Change it to Wushi.
Doctor.
Yeah. Dr. S. And then the bottom Wushi.
Okay?
Yes, okay.
Okay. Will you help me?
Yeah, keep going. One more time. One more time. That's it. Okay. Complete.
Microsoft Definitive, huh?
Dr. Wushi, fine.
Okay.
So now you know it. You have the treatment too.
Okay.
That's
Let me
fine,
go,
yeah.
and let me just do it here. Okay?
Yes.
Come here and help me here
Just a second.
so you can take a shot of it.
Fine.
Dr. S. Rushi, is it?
Yes. At outlook.com.
Finish? Okay. This is great. You cannot sign in here with a personal account. Use your work or school account instead.
Well, that was in the first problem.
Yeah.
Because this is not a school account.
Yeah. Let me see.
That's why I told you to make an account, you understand?
What do you mean make an account? I did.
Make an account with a domain name that's not
Yeah.
Outlook and it's
Yeah,
not Gmail.
right.
You understand now?
Uh-huh. So we may have to wait until we do the other thing, huh?
We tried already. They don't know what to do.
No. Should I try this iPhone thing or iPad? It doesn't seem like that's going to sign in with your passkey. With a safe passkey. I don't know how to save passkey. Okay. They don't know what to do. You know what I mean?
We got more, basically. Stay signed in. You don't have to sign
No.
in next time.
No.
You don't want to sign in? What do you want to do now?
No, just say no.
Why?
Because
Don't scream, please.
it's not helping me right now.
No, you want to sign, be in, so if you need to,
Okay.
you wanted me to say no?
I don't
Decide
see.
what you want.
Can
Yes
you
or
use
no?
what without a Microsoft account? By default, Microsoft is required.
You have a
will sync your
Microsoft
personal-
account.
However, there are a couple of ways to bypass. Once you have a bootable USB, you can install Windows without Microsoft
You need to
account.
make a bootable USB.
And I'll just stop Windows 11 from asking for a Microsoft account. Select and click the sign in option from the left side bar, toggle the bottom and then require one to sign in from the right hand. And I log in on how to sign in. Windows and on. Okay. No, thank you.com. Okay, let's try this. You got it?
No, I didn't get any.
Somebody says sign in with no at thankyou.com. I don't think it's gonna work.
Word. Sign in for what? He gave you a case number, that guy?
Yeah. sign in. Okay, somebody said this. Try this no at thankyou.com. Try it. I may not get through.
No, thank you.
I don't know if it works. You understand?
Yeah.
And then what do you put for a password? No, doesn't work. Yeah, I'm like an idiot, right?
Right.
See, they can do it after it's done, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It may be that my Windows license is assigned already. You understand? Yes, Windows is essential that you're going to reckon with the Windows 11 digital license on your device. Upon logging back in, go to settings, you understand? And remove it, but you
Why
can't
don't
remove
you stop by there and look at them there?
That's it. I'll have to do it.
Because you don't want to waste
There.
that much
Well,
more
I
time.
asked you first, and you said.
We try.
Yeah.
They do install the crap, make it even worse.
Well, we still do it and then return it. You know what I mean? It's not working now.
Yeah, just return it in time so it doesn't expire.
So you want me to call? I can, because they were trying to do it with my other machine. They were trying to. Should I ask them what the status of that is, and then I can return this one?
Why don't you call him and ask him if you're returning because he can't do it?
No, he never gave me back what they're doing with my machine.
The guy in Canada.
Undo what?
Telling me you want to get authorization to return it and let them
And then I'll return it and then.
exchange it for another machine.
But they're going to say that it's not the thing of working. You understand that?
They want to drop it in at URL?
Or I can call them and say, what's the status of my other machine? And then I can even return this one. They don't know I took this.
Fine.
Let them see. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Should I even first ask them what's the status of my machine?
Yes, I need to go to the
What do you
rest.
think about that?
Go to the rest.
What do you think about that?
Good idea.
I mean, just because he never got back to me.
Yeah.
Maybe he knows I got it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, Matt. How was your summer? um, I don't know. It's been hot. That's all I can say. So what's up?
So we've been talking back and forth with Central, and we're at the point where we're going to try a completely different image. It's kind of like they're, among other things, with the image that was put on your computer. And although it is the one that should be done, there's this other one that we do for mobile computers on campus, and they're recommending to try that one.
And what's been taking so long about that?
I'm really trying to go with but can't really get that done hardware issue and that they would work on it. So in any case, we're gonna start working on the image, putting the new image on this computer. With that,
And what is the difference? I'm just trying to kind of look in the future of it.
so so I'll explain the two differences.
Okay.
There's a cloud image and there's a on-prem image.
Okay. And you were
So
using, go ahead.
The cloud image is intended for basically computers that will not be on campus because it allows the computer to be seen on the University of Miami network, even when you're not on campus. So from any Wi-Fi network, it'll communicate to Microsoft and give updates and such.
Okay.
So that was the one that we would want to put on your computer.
That you did, right?
Yes, and that's the one that we had the issue with.
Right, twice.
But,
did you try to re-image? Right, because we tried to re-image twice. The first time and the second time. Okay.
So, the on-prem image is intended for on site and
never to leave campus or what?
Well, before we used to actually put on-prem on everyone, but the problem with the on-prem is that the only negative is if you do not check in the University of Miami after a certain point.
What do you mean check in? Bring my computer on campus, you mean?
It's either you bring it into campus and it connects to the network, or you do a check-in via VPN.
Okay. Okay. So let's say, because I'm on medical leave, so if I go to Lennar, can I check into logging in as Kane's guest doesn't work, but if I log in with
it has to be Miami.
Okay, but I could do Miami. If I'm on campus, I don't have to be in my office.
No.
Just on campus.
Yeah, just on campus on a new Miami wireless. Basically, the rule is that there's a 4-month hold on.
Stay here, please.
Before it gets dropped off the network. If it does get dropped off the network, it doesn't really affect you too much. Basically, the computer will still function, it will still work.
Yeah.
At that point, it won't get security updates. Everything will stop working from that perspective. And then when you do come on campus and you want to use campus resources or network, you're going to be completely dropped off. It's not going to allow you until.
But it's every 4 months. But like on come for exams and things like that, so that's not an issue. Yeah. So that won't be an issue. Right?
Yeah, exactly. So what I would recommend is that as often as possible, whenever you can, just use. I'll show you how to use the VPN. I mean, actually, you did it last time when we were working on it.
The VPN. Okay. Yeah. It's not a big deal, right?
You're checking it. That's always going to make sure that password's updated and that it's not gonna drop off the network. Okay.
Mhm. And when will you get? When do you think approximately you can get that done so we can kind of see what we need to do? You know what I mean? I'm trying to.
I can have my team start working on it tonight or tomorrow. The computer is going to be imaged again, so that means that all the data will be lost. Although I don't think there was.
No, there was not. You remember we never did anything. That was the whole idea. You know what I mean? You remember we had the problems after the first week. I kept on having the problem, and then the only thing is we kept on doing it, and by the time we finished, right, it was after, and you remember, IT Central had it for 3 weeks before I got it. You remember? So that was the reason. Otherwise we would have even, you remember the 30-day replacement, we could have done a 30-day replacement.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, okay. So at this point, how long will you, approximately, today's Tuesday, so if you haven't, can you have you guys work on it tonight? Do you have somebody there tonight?
Yes, we have somebody there tonight. They're working on 2 images right now, so I'll throw in that third one.
Okay.
So we can work on yours. Assuming that nothing uh, fails on part of the image, which is always a possibility. And it could be ready tomorrow. What I will have is Savannah, which I don't know if you met, but she's
No.
one of our engineers. She just started.
Okay. No, I don't know.
What's her name?
Savannah. Yeah, you'll have her what?
Take a look at it, inspect it, make sure that all the other requirements that we have is.
And then she's gonna also put in Word and all the other, right, the standard software too, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
Then there, we won't have to do that same thing that we did last time where you come in twice. That won't be necessary with the on-prem image. And
What do you mean I won't have to? Oh, that I won't have to first come and then do it again.
yes, like what we did.
Yeah, right. That I just had the okay because this is you're gonna do an on-prem image, and so when do you think it should be done? That they can call me and you can give them my cell and they can tell me.
I think tomorrow they'll give you an update sometime in the middle of the day. We have we have a staff meeting with the dean, all staff early in the morning.
Okay.
And we have a lot of people in our team sick and out, so.
They have COVID. There's COVID going around all over the place.
No, it's not fall.
Okay, but just so you know, my doctor even had it. I went to my doctor. Yeah, I went to my doctor and I said, "How many people in R have it?" She goes, "It's full of it." She said, "So many physicians have it." Yeah. So,
wow.
but, so I said, I'm coming to you." And she was nonchalant. She wasn't even wearing a mask. And she tells me, I said, "Just, I'm trying to be friendly, So I said, "How are you?" So she said, "Oh, I'm just over COVID. I just had COVID last week."
Wow.
And she said, "Oh, right, anyway, so."
Eric's out on vacation.
Okay.
But then, Steve's dealing with something dental related.
Wow, you got a whole hospital there. You can do a rehab center.
And tomorrow I have jury duty. So
Oh wow, you really are. Okay. So who's going to be in charge of this? Who works tonight?
So this is going to be one of our technicians, but I'm going to have Savannah just ensure everything, double check everything. And assuming that the image goes smoothly tonight, we should be able to receive some kind of update tomorrow in the middle of the day saying, let's schedule a pickup for the afternoon. Because what I'm assuming is Savannah and Steve are going to be busy in the morning. The D's meeting ends at 11 a.m. And then at that point we'll be able to start the installation and everything and our entire check. And then
So tonight you're just doing what? I hate to because of my background I'd like to understand what's happening. So what are you doing what's happening tonight?
So what happens with the image is that we restart the computer, we boot up into a special hard drive, we put in all the commands, it wipes the hard drive,
Okay.
puts up a bunch of different tasks, and it starts installing Windows with all the basic stuff that Central normally does. That thing that took them 3 weeks.
Yeah.
Get it done in a few hours. But
Okay.
there's some additional things that they do on our end, so I don't want to make it sound like
They were just goofing off for 3 weeks.
yeah.
No, because that's what I was when I called Dell. It was they said, "Well, you got it in whatever." It was, you're almost end of your 30 days, and I said, "I just got it." You remember that Sunday? I just got it. Okay.
So they basically all the stuff that they do in terms of putting in the lab and stuff that allows us to always constantly be able to image it without it having.
Okay, we'll do it. It's not a problem. I'll go on, you know what I mean? Either do the VPN or I'll go on campus. You know what I mean? Once a month or something,
Okay. All right. So we'll get that done tonight. Assuming there's no issues, we'll send you an update tomorrow. Okay.
Okay. All right. So when do you go for jury duty? You have criminal or civil?
criminal tomorrow.
Well, well hopefully.
The thing about it is that I've always been, I never had to get this late into jury duty, so I always get these letters, and it either gets canceled or postponed,
Right,
and I never hear from it again.
I know.
Or sometimes I've been dismissed early
Yeah.
because I have my uncle is a judge.
Oh yes, okay. Throw that. If you don't want to be on jury duty, that's a good one to throw in. Well, you can throw in
So,
some.
I mean, I always know that it's my civil.
Yeah, I don't want to tell you. You know what I mean? Right.
No.
Yeah.
But they always ask that question: do you have any relatives?
Right. Well, they always say, or do you have policemen, or yeah, especially when it's criminal. You know, they want to see what each side want to see how you're gonna write. Yeah, whenever I say I'm a professor, they always take me. You know what I mean? They take me off because it's either I don't know one side or the other, and they think I'm a leftist or something like that. You know what I mean? And they think professor. Yeah, so they're biases too. Okay. All right. So we got a plan. I'll hear from, and Samantha has, which number does she use?
I'll provide Samantha with your phone number.
Okay, Samantha, with my phone number. Can you be so kind and just have Samantha send me an email tonight? Or you send me an email telling Samantha what to do, you know, and CC her. That's the best, you know, and it's coming from you. So then she knows it's the way that we can have it in the way. So then that way I can reach out to her as well. Okay, so good luck. Otherwise, take care, and let's proceed on this. We'll see how it goes. Okay. Okay, thanks. Bye. I need to lower marking though. So anyways, I said, why did you not tell me for weeks?
Not tell you what?
What's happening?
Fine, I told you now, nothing.
Right. We've not done anything.
If you don't bother them, they don't do it.
Right. So you understand what he's going to do?
Yes.
What?
Tell Samantha to do it.
No, but what are they going to do different?
Savannah.
What are they going to tell me different?
They're going to ghost it without the extra stuff that they put on.
Right. They're going to do the regular pram.
Right.
Right. But they're not
give
going
it to IT to screw it up some more.
Right.
It's good enough already without anything.
Right. Do you understand?
Yes.
The problem, what they were doing, they used to do it all the time. Just everybody used to have the prem version, and then they started saying, you know what? We're gonna have laptop. We're gonna have extra security. The Microsoft going to restrict you all the time. You got it? So if I don't log in for 4 months to the wireless, my system won't work.
Mm-hmm.
So what I say is every time I go for the test, I'll go into wireless.
Right.
Log in. You know, bring my laptop. I mean, you know, and I told them. Because I want to tell them I'm on medical leave. You know what I mean?
Right.
Don't drive me nuts. Okay?
Yes.
Do you think I did well not telling
fine.
you no?
Yeah, doesn't matter.
Okay.
I'm wasting your time.
Okay. Okay, so Charles Riff, he's the aborist. He says anytime between 9 and 2, he'll come over. Pick a day and time.
Right.
So you want him to come this Friday?
Yeah.
But this Friday, what?
It's a better day today when we are not going downtown to dance. If we are going to Coral Gables.
But he's only from 9 to 2.
Fine, let him come next week on one of the days.
I'd rather him come earlier than later. You know what I mean?
Tomorrow is Wednesday.
And Thursday you see the dentist at 3:30.
So either tomorrow or next week. Why don't you postpone
anytime next week, he said. Next week, okay.
So do it next week.
Okay, let me check the schedule. Okay, so now you know how it works.
Now I want to demonstrate how I'm taking off the head mount from RealWare. So first of all, I need to stop recording. Now that it stopped recording, I'm taking it off my head. I'm disconnecting it from the external battery pack. I'm going to try to connect another cable to this. So I got some new cables here with the USB-C and the USB-A. Retractable. Let's see if it works. So I connect one end to my head-mounted tablet. We're trying to strip the media. Flash off! We don't need to have the flash on. Now, I want to connect it to the computer here and see if I can strip the media off of this head-mounted tablet. So now I want to see whether the computer sees this head-mounted tablet. Let's go to one of the devices here. What is this? Okay, here. This one. Another folder. So let's use this one for now. We'll go up to the top, and here it is. MHD, internal storage, movies. Camera. Take the first one. Shift to the last one. Cut. Then go to the other target. The target is red with today's date and time. It's 7/16 E. And paste. Now grab this path and set it up in my notes. I want to put it on the notepad at the very top. Start with the greater than, less than sign. Edit, paste the URL, few blanks, and greater sign, so then file save.
beginning, you know, we're going to go to Las Vegas in August. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. But yeah, right. Next week. You know, but anyway, that's what I used to do. That he was having. He also she goes, I'm quitting too. And then she gets friendly and she goes, I'm going to quit too. Now she's been working for 29 years. So I said, she said, oh, I'm going to retire. And I said, you don't, I said, what are you going to do when you retire? She said, nothing. And I said, you don't look like you're stand fit. I said, you don't look like you're going to retire and do nothing to me. And she said, yes, you're right. I'm going to go work for another city. So that's it. So anyway, so that's the whole thing, and that's all. And then Abby went for a walk, so Abby ended up calling me to, you know, to give her a dry cook to make her. Yeah, it was a completely just by accident. And Abby went to talk to her. You know, the car's in front, and then we said, "Where's Martin?" Martin never even showed up. Martin said he was going to call me. He never showed up. So she said Martin is in the beginning. I told you he got transferred. He's working some. You know how transferred. So manishma etzlcha. How's your eye? Like good idea. Good idea with the metro. You know you can get a free pass. Do you know that? You don't. Oh, you didn't know that? Miami-Dade. You live in Miami-Dade. You go down to the government center, and we have it too. You get it. It's called. Let me see what it's called. It's a golden pass. Anybody over? Well, when you have it, they can know. You know what I mean? Even though we never use it much, but when you go, it's easy. When you go to the airport, sometimes you know.
Goes right into the airport.
And you can go right into the airport. Okay, I'll take a picture and I'll send it to you.
Okay, I'll wait till the paper. I'll let you know when I get it.
Yeah, it's not a big deal, but it says that we have a next appointment. She put it in the beginning. She wanted to put it when we were in Las Vegas, and Avi, I didn't even know Avi was outside. He called me, and then I went out to make her friendly. You know what I mean? Bullshit with her. You're good with that too. And then she asked me about the that we're renting, and what about the tenant? You know, about the owner. And then I said, well, he expects us to do it. And then I could see already. She said, oh, once you clean it up, you know, there's something about the house. You have to look at the roof, and he has to, you know what I mean? There's going to dry cup you for. But I think she'll. No, the top of the roof. The roof has to be clean. But since you have so many bushes, we can't see the roof.
picture in the magazine.
Right. But anyways, they, you know, they ain't lahem other salt. You know what I mean? They got what do they call it?
They're looking to justify.
Yeah, right. She has a client, but she said she's trying to be friendly. You know, like the other ones. I'll work with
Yeah,
you.
they're trying to be nice. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So I'll send you the thing, Noah. Avi, you want to say hello to Noah?
Yeah, שלום, נו.
מה אני שמעתי כל העניין.
בזבזתי את זה שעתיים. והלכנו לשכנים, והראיתי לה שהשכנים גם כן,
יש אותו plans.
יש להם אותו דבר, אז היא...
כל פעם שאחד מת בא אחד חדש.
כן, אז היא אמרה לי שהשכנים גם כן, היא תיתן להם גם כן complaint.
Right, she says, oh, if they have it, then I'll give them violation gum pen. So anyways, okay, so anyways, you see here, so I'm gonna do with the, so I have I'm gonna make an appointment with the guy with the plans. Right now, and then she can come and I can say I was all from the hospital. You know? No, yeah, I have a copy of it, but you'll get it too. Yeah, but anyways, you'll keep it for your notes. Okay.
What do you do with the guy with the subleasing?
They have to fill it out. I spoke to the woman from the Arden, and they have to have one contract. 4 people have to be on one contract. You can't have 2 contracts. You can't have 2 leases.
Yeah. It
has to be one lease.
All the pay have to go through you, not through.
Right, and it has to be, and it can't be 2 separate leases. And she said she's going to check. She's not sure if the original couple, you know, from Nepal, if they have to go through security again. Because in her other places, if it's been more than a year, if they get a new lease, they have to go through security again. So anyways, dry cup, old dry cup. And then there's supposed to be a meeting. We really have to get rid of these places. There's another meeting. They want to, they want to change the color of the building. You know what I mean?
They have to change the management.
That's what they need to change. Okay, all right, Noah. But they think it's the color of the building. That's the problem. Instead of the brown, we need to make it gray. I'm gray all the time enough when I do.
They're very in debt and they want to make more debt.
Yeah, exactly. Somebody needs a kickback for the painters now. Okay. That's cool, too. All right. Talk to you later. Bye. Okay, I'll send you the picture.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
So anytime you want to go shopping, I got oh, that's too late already? When did they close the Pinch a Penny there?
Pinch a Penny, I think they close at 6.
6, so we have plenty of time.
You used all the thing already?
Yes.
Oh. Did you clean it?
6 containers in the bag.
Yeah.
I'll put it inside the car.
On my way there, I think they close at 6. Whatever they do, if they're closed, they're closed. You know what I mean?
Yeah. No worry, you can go tomorrow or the other day. I just took them out of the big container and put them in smaller containers, so we still have 2 or 3 small containers. So now I'm taking off the goggles, so I want to make another clip just so the viewer can see how it works out with these goggles. So I'm going to clip the media now. Stop the current recording and start a new clip on both Cyberlink UCam and Webcam Max. As I'm going to stop the recording on the video glasses and then depress it and keep it depressed until the long buzz. But so now it's powered off, and I'm taking it out of the external power device and reconnect it to the wall power. Then I'm taking out the micro SD card. Pop it into the computer. Or I can take my power bank out. So many cables, after a while you don't know if you're coming or going. Let me lower the cameras here so that you can see my chest a little better. And underneath my chest, as I'm trying to retract this cable. So this is the power bank that I'm using. This is the Lenovo power bank. Retract the cable and then insert another cable to charge it. Let me see if I can find another cable here. USB-A mini or micro. Here it is, a USB-A micro. Now if I connect it here, turns red, means that it is recharging. Finally, I can show you how I'm taking off the lanyard. I have to release the retractables from the back. So there are two sets of retractables there. So one set for each legs, the upper legs and the lower legs. So this set is for the upper legs, black in my right hand and red in my left hand, and they lock position behind my back by pressing them against each other. Then press the spring-loaded lock and release it and let it retract back to the base of the legs. Now I'm done with the upper legs, and now I'm going to repeat the same thing with the lower legs. So I press it behind my back, release the locks, and I want to show it to you. I have the blue lock in my left hand and the blue carabiner in my right hand. So these are two carabiners, blue and green. And I lock them behind my back and release them and let them retract. Then I'm going to take off my cap, hang it up. Then I can take the string, the neck string, roll it and stuff it in the rear clear vinyl pocket of this lanyard. In this lanyard there's two clear vinyl pockets, one in the rear where I put the phone and I stuff the neck string, and another one in the front. This is the batch holder. Okay, and now I can fold the legs somewhat more, make it into a smaller package, and then put it aside for later use. now that I'm done with it, I'm ready to check out. Here is the internal shared storage movies camera of HMT1 is done. So I can disconnect the cable, display cable. Disconnect it from the computer, and that will clear the message here. And now I can recharge it by connecting it to this power bank, the power strip rather. Let's see if I can connect it to the power strip here. That's it. Then another cable. I can recharge the battery. Battery bank and recharge with USB-C. So I connect it and it is 86%, so it will raise the charge. And now I want to check whether the phone is done. So let's look at the File Explorer again and see the Galaxy phone is done. So I can disconnect the Galaxy phone from the computer here and then let it recharge on the side here. %55 charge. Okay, now let's check the computer again to see what's there in the DCIM in SDXC and movies. Take the first one, shift to the last one, number 41. Cut. Open another instance of File Explorer. Video. HMT. No. iView. Today's date. And paste. And Explorer. Then copy the path to the clipboard buffer. And then insert it. Edit. Paste. Into the document and file save. G. The time was 4:59. Have a comment. want to stop the recording. This webcam apps. Double click it to play it back. This is fine. And then stop the recording on UCam Cyberlink. Then play it back. And that is fine. Finally stop.